Hi friends and fellow Disney fans, today we are going to check out Disney's Riviera Resort. We'll check out the pool, maybe some rooms, the lobby, so come along! Hi guys, as I mentioned, we are going to be doing a full overview and I'm going to be showing you Disney's Riviera Resort. This is an absolute gorgeous resort. You are going to love it. But first, before we head out, I just want to tell you a little bit about the channel. My name is Jamie Thomas. I'm a travel agent specializing in Disney vacations. So I'm here to help you get the most out of your next Disney vacation. If you are interested in planning with me, my services are completely free and you can find all of my contact information in the description below. So let's head out. Come on. Bocce ball, some lawn activities going on over there, which is pretty awesome. And we're gonna go check out the pool. Here's Caribbean Beach Resort right there. So you are steps away from the Caribbean. Oh, and here's bocce ball. So fun. Primo Piatto is right in there. One of the best restaurants on property. Okay, here's Bar Riva. Beautiful. Here is the main pool area right here. The pool hours are 10 a.m. to 11 p.m. So over here we have the slide for the kids area. And the whole little kids area has a lovely splash place and it's actually Fantasmic themed. Oh, it's actually Fantasia themed, as you can see from the elephant up there. This is the kids play area. Little mushrooms and a water cannon. And we've got some slides over here. This is great. I always love it when resorts have like a play area for kids. Okay, and then you got little cabanas over here, which is so nice. You can kind of hang out and lounge near the pool. And then here is the main pool. Usually you get gelato ice cream when it's not freezing cold outside. Then you have a zero entry pool here, which is great for kids. And then you have a little hot tub right there, which is awesome. This is the kind of entryway area. Very grand and pretty. Riviera is Italy, kind of Monaco themed, very beautiful. And you'll see touches of hidden Mickeys all over. It's very classy themed. I'm gonna show you one right now. There's a little hidden Mickey right in the railing. And this is a DVC resort, but you can stay here on cash. And right there says, welcome home. So you feel totally welcome the moment you get in here. So here is the lobby. It's absolutely gorgeous. And there's some stores. This one's a little bakery slash coffee place. And here is the boutique where you can come and buy Mickey merchandise and lots of other fun things. The first thing when you get in here, you're hit by like just a yummy, gorgeous smell. So all of your senses are just hit right away. It's awesome. So as I mentioned, Riviera is a DVC resort, but you can stay here on cash. So that means you can still book a room here even if you aren't DVC. The nice thing about Riviera is there is 1, 2, 3 bedroom options and studios. So there's lots of options for all different combinations of families and amounts of families. So it's really a great place for a multi-generational trip if you're looking to bring grandma and grandpa or nieces and nephews, grandkids. This is a perfect place to come. And plus, with the 1 and 2 bedrooms, you're going to be getting, and the 3 bedroom too, you're going to be getting the washer, dryer, and full kitchen, which is just a huge plus when you are on vacation. Voyager Lounge. It's kind of like a library, coffee hangout area, nice air conditioned and very chill. So you can spend some time in here and it's really lovely. This resort was actually inspired by Walt, who really loved Italy and took a trip there with Lillian's, and you'll see touches of Walt and his travels. Riviera has absolutely gorgeous artwork. Here's a painting of Cinderella and Snow White, absolutely beautiful. If you are staying at Riviera, you'll be walking through that little tunnel right there to get over to the Skyliners. that sleeps only 2 people. So it's a tiny space, but it's perfect for if you're just coming in for a weekend, food and wine, or, you know, just a short time before or after a cruise, or maybe you're just wanting to just use your hotel room as a place to sleep, really. You know, if you're not wanting to spend a lot of time, you don't need the space, then this is a really good option for you. And plus, it's staying at Riviera. So it would be the lowest cost room at Riviera, and you get into Riviera, which is a gorgeous resort. Okay, Priscilla's gonna pull it down. Oh, the background's really cute. A little Peter Pan themed. So you have a desk over there, and then you have microwave and some storage. And then here's the flat screen TV. And here is the little patio. It's actually a decent sized patio. You have a few drawers, and then here's also a closet with some shelving. Isn't that lovely? Very tiny little space. Perfect for family of 2. Okay, here we are checking out the studio. Here is the bathroom, the shower. It's got a gorgeous rainfall shower head. Then we have right here a vanity and shower tub. Beautiful. And then here is a little kitchenette with a microwave, coffee maker, and a mini fridge. Okay, here is the day bed. You can pull it down, pencil themed, and a little table. And then here is the pull down couch bed. I'll put that back up so you can see that. Here is the sofa bed, yeah. And then here is the main bed. Oh, there's a hidden Mickey up here. Oh, gorgeous. Okay, now we're gonna check out the 3-bedroom villa. Super excited to show you guys this one. It's perfect for large families or people who just want tons of space. Here is the master bedroom. Absolutely gorgeous. And there's tons of space under the floor for you to store your luggage and stuff. Here is a large closet and a nice little chair for a sitting area. And here is the master bathroom. Wow, this is amazing. Bathtub. Then you have like a little makeup area, double vanity sink, and then you have your separate bathroom area with a cute little Mickey and Minnie. And then we have this, like, you could fit the whole family in the shower. This is huge. Rainfall shower head, whole sitting area. This is massive. I'm gonna step in here so you guys can see. Okay, here I am. I don't even know, like, this is me on the other side. I can't even reach it. It's huge in here. This is a shower for the whole family. Okay, let's go check out the other areas. Okay, then we have the main area. So you have some seating for 10 people. Absolutely beautiful. And then over here is the living room area. Wow, how amazing is this? Beautiful sectional, tons of space. You could do like a movie here at night after you've enjoyed the day at the park, relaxing. This sleeps up to 12 people, wow. And then here is a full kitchen. Absolutely beautiful, hey? Then right around the corner here, we have, oh my gosh, Mickey. We have Mickey chairs. And then here is the hallway bathroom. It is a shower tub combo. Hi. Beautiful, hey? The kitchens are fully stocked with everything you need, really. There's cooking supplies, there's plates, cups, everything you're gonna need. And then here is a side-by-side washer and dryer, which is great. So that was the 3-bedroom grand villa. Right now it is set up with master bedroom and then office space in the other 2 rooms, but usually you would have 2 queen beds and then one of the bedrooms is an ensuite. So you have a total of 3 bedrooms, obviously, and one with a king bed, its own bathroom, that massive shower, and then you have another room with a queen bed ensuite, and then you also have another bedroom with a queen bed, and then there's the bathroom across the hall. So tons of space. This place gets really busy during the holiday season. So if you are thinking of staying here during Christmas with your whole family, you're going to want to book that early. Okay, now we're going to check out the 1-bedroom at Riviera. So here is the bathroom with, again, a rainfall shower head. And then we have the vanity. Hi! Here is the tub. Gorgeous, hey? Here is the main bedroom. You have like a little writing desk right over there. And then here is the bed. It looks like a king. And then you have tons of space with a dresser and a big, large flat screen TV. And then over here, we have a closet. So you have some extra storage for your luggage and stuff. And then here's the living area. This here is a sofa bed, a wall bed, and so it actually converts to a bed. It's beautiful. We got a little kitchen in the corner here. Another little day bed, flat screen TV, and then we got the kitchen, which comes with a stove, microwave, dishwasher, coffee maker, all of that. So you have tons of amenities here. And here is a full fridge. So I want to thank you guys for taking the time to watch this resort overview. Maybe this is a resort that you are considering for your next Disney vacation. If you would like me to come alongside and help you plan, then as I mentioned before, I am a travel agent specializing in Disney vacations. So I'm here to help you plan your trip, and my services are completely free when you book your hotel and tickets with me. So you can find my contact information in the description below, or contact me via email, jamiethomasshow@gmail.com, or www.clickthemouse.ca/JamieQuote. Make sure to take a moment and like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.